But just a 667. No.
We're
No. And this is a cul-de-sac. Oh no. No. We're not in the right place.
at all.
We have lost. Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Hey, where are from?
Alright.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Ren, as usual.
And I'm Yan.
And today we are doing a house review. Yeah, that's basically it. So we are at a location right now because we're gonna do, we like to give directions to wherever we go.
On our way.
Yeah, so we're gonna start the directions from right here at Ruby's gas station.
On Howard Cook Boulevard.
Yeah.
Montego Bay.
Yeah, so
The highway.
not sure which video you'll see first, this or the house review. Whatever the case may be, we're 1 week away from our anniversary.
Yay.
Our 1 year anniversary. Which
Journey
is
to One Crooks.
and almost our 1 year anniversary where YouTube is
YouTube.
concerned as well.
Mhm.
It has been steady growth. It could have been more growth, but life, work,
Life happens.
it does, and it
really
is what
does
it
happen.
is. But yeah, so we're gonna get this review done as early as possible because we have some other things that we want to do throughout the day. You know how they have them stay already. But anyways,
They don't really, but yeah.
you know, so
Just
always
imagine us not really having the
yeah, and as it started done. So,
Yeah.
anyways,
When did you working on done fast enough?
yeah, when they have to done fast. But anyways,
Another note?
thank you for liking previous videos, for clicking on this video. Please remember to subscribe, share. We can understand if you don't share because it's honestly it's easier to watch and like than to just hit share.
Hold on.
I've been there, but
Hold on.
we appreciate
Hold on.
it
So this is the moment where you guys are gonna press subscribe.
if you're new. Because if
Subscribe.
you're not new,
You press it? You press it? Press subscribe. Please. Just press it. You're watching the video.
be right back. People.
Last.
Last.
We last.
We are LASSSSSS. We last. We know the lot number where we are go. But we are hum not know where part we there right now. Where we there? Like everybody take off the number for the house.
Where we there? Our the house.
So we don't know which part we there. We lost. What lot number is this? Me no know. What lot number is this? Me no know.
We're far.
We lost. Stop saying far. Far make it sound too nice.
We're far.
We lost. We lost. We lost. But just a 667. No.
We're
No. And this is a cul-de-sac. Oh no. No. We're not in the right place.
at all.
We have lost. Good morning, kind sir.
Morning.
No, because that's where we're coming from.
Section and that would
Further down.
go down Pimento. Okay.
All right, thank
you
you.
so much. Alright, so guys, as you're here, what did I say?
Last.
So the closest we went was 621. And then guess me what? We ended up in a cul-de-sac.
Bungalow close ya now. This is 700. Memory boss are you. You
Hold on,
turn.
713. We're 699. Oh my gosh. Listen, we proper. Sir, where you saying we go? Sir, if you watch this, sir, where you saying we go? The gentleman said, come back out there, so I said, well, I'm not blaming him because he did say he is not from around here. He's not so familiar with the space. but we proper lost. The closest for real was 621. Right now, I don't remember which part we did see 621.
But that based on the
We
fact
are
that we
in
saw
a
621,
maze.
606 should be in the same area.
What?
The fact that we say 621, 606 should be in the same area.
He said pimento, not pimento. I feel like we're just in a one big maze. That's literally what it is, though. It is a maze. It is a maze.
Last people there.
So you know, some people are look at me and they say, "Oh, but at the wrong part, you know, they go, yeah, we don't know, but we don't know."
Can we see?
Try to see the. Oh, there's another cute puppy. Oh, you would love those puppies. Oh, we don't know. Sir, go and get the camera and go do the outside.
Me resting. My body tired and
but the sun is
outside already.
Not the other camera. The other hanger.
The other angle of you doing the introduction?
Oh hell no. No, we not not going there today.
Hey YNR fam, so we just finished the review. I am tired. Not really. I'm not as tired as the one in Lucy.
Can you hear what I'm saying?
But I just have a slight back pain.
In fire. I did not cause it.
Old age.
Did not.
But yeah, this was pretty good. We're actually sitting down right now watching our own video.
We're watching one video on
it's a
Smart
play.
TV.
I'm making a seat.
Not a good angle.
So yeah, it's a play. Yeah, you have some reflections and something, but it's gonna be a part of our house review video, in a sense. Not this video, the previous house review. Yeah, long story, leave me alone. But yeah.
So anyways, well, the video not done yet. We have things to do.
But we start.
We have things to do. What time is it? My gosh, 1:18 the day done already.
Not really. The day don't finish, and I'll tell you guys why the day don't finish. The day don't finish because we still have a bag of things left to do. A bag of things.
A bag of things which are
and this was just number one.
Some seafood.
True. Or some crab.
Oh my gosh.
Not crabs.
I never
Don't
carry
want
croissant
crabs.
and so. I never carry croissant.
That's what I just said.
Yeah, but
I just said it that we left it.
listen, don't stress me out. Anyways, people, see you in a bit.
Catch y'all later.
What you need up them? What you need up them? Hey.
Should I show you? Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Hi, gentle people. That's Renouy. That's not me. Hi, guys. Y&R fam. Billy.
Fam Billy.
Invest in real estate. It's smart. Stop. It's so smart, or it's really smart to invest in real estate, especially with our island being a tourist attraction. It is very smart to invest in real estate. Once you have the capacity to do so, yeah. But anyways, back to what we were saying, folks. If you have the capacity, you can go ahead and do the real estate or invest in real estate. Invest in it.
You know, really
It's gonna look like a Pizza Hut on KFC. Still,
I've been looking at
it. I should be pointing. Your mama never told us if you don't put.
And they say money not there. And them I'm saying money not there.
Hallelujah. That was crazy. Wow. Oh my God. 2 idiots.
Because right now, I is hungry.
Renouy
Oh, this
hungry.
nice.
Hungry. I'm hungry.
Really hungry.
Hungry.
Really hungry. Yeah, but the number does it. I want that, please. Hey, man.
Your mama said if you take a picture. If you take a picture of one door, side by side door, fridge. Without the ice being.
Oh!
I'm sorry. Make it sure? Make it sure?
It is a door and door. So you can access stuff from this section here, and then you can open the entire door. Cool? So stuff on this shelf, and this shelf, you can access them from just open the door and door.
As you can see, it is hard. It is hard dark. It is hard night. So it's night. We've had
A heck of a day.
very, very hectic day. We've been on the road over 12 hours. We've been on the road, literally. We went back home twice, and the went back home was us spending even 5 minutes. I'm not
Pick up.
We literally just pick things up, drop things off, head back home. That was it. But it was a very productive. I would say it's a very productive day. We got a whole lot of things done. We're dealing with some business, and time is still kind of hard to find time to deal with certain things, and so we just have to utilize the time as best as possible.
And we just had a little chill time.
Yes.
Night out, kind of something that we don't normally do.
Yeah, true.
But it was a very good
it
vibe.
was really good.
If you know me, you know I love Subaru. And I'm still not driving a Subaru anymore.
So be Jam West?
Subi West Jam.
Wow.
Not driving a Subaru anymore, but it's still my favorite vehicle, honestly. So I still link with them, and they had this event at the game. Didn't turn out to be what it was supposed to be, because it was supposed to be games, but
night.
it was still a
We
little
limed
good
otherwise,
show.
you
Yeah.
know, we chilled, we eat with food, we enjoy ourselves, we have a little talk.
You drink
run
water.
with- Yeah, who for drinks, and who for drink the spirits. You know, the vibe, it was really, really nice. It was really, really good. And we have to say it, we have to commend them in taking such a bold step, wanting more than just, just a link up. But I can't really say what it is. It's not my place to, but I really have to show my appreciation for them wanting to take it a step further than it just being a car group. Happens, having that organization. However,
Hey!
alright, so
Like
guess
that.
what of this will be just past the Drift King, the road that they're about to trod, what they're looking to take on and all of that. It's a really good look, and big ups to them. So it was Subi West Jam.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's pretty much it for us for our day. Did you have anything else you wanted to say? And now we have the Dover black and white car that just stopped past us.
Where is
Listen, we just drive out like the two of them. We just drive out like the two car. The two car come out past.
But anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Like, we're getting way hella sidetracked. This is the end of the video. If you stayed with us throughout everything, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
We said it in the last video, and we're gonna say it again. We have more coming. Just give it a good time. We have a lot going on.
I forgot. So guess what, guys? Just a reminder, we will be having a giveaway. So it's journey to 500 subscribers, and we have one of our faves, our actual fave pastry shop or bakehouse.
Yeah.
That's Treats JA. I think it's Treats Bakehouse JA or Treats JA Bakehouse. Oh my God, this is embarrassing. Mish, I am so sorry, but Treats, Montego Bay, Jamaica. We're going to be doing a giveaway with them, so I can give you some details now. What we will be doing is we will be giving away to the individual who interacts the most under our videos. And of course it will be starting with this road to 500. So we want you guys, we're going to be putting out content, folks. We're going to be putting out content, and you're going to want to be a part of it, because you could win yourself a $5,000 gift voucher, and that will allow you to get a whole lot of treats goodies. You'll be able to get a whole lot of treats goodies. You get to choose what you want. We don't choose anything. And we have a surprise in there. There is a surprise. But that surprise element, we will tell you what that is later. So remember, folks, we want you to like, we want you to share. Ensure you subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Hey, show.
Yeah?
Hey, show.
Alright.
Hey, show.
So, yeah. Whoosah. So tell a friend to tell a friend. And once again, thank you guys for rocking with us. Thank you so much for being with the YNR fam, for being a part of Yan and Ren channel. Yes. Thank you once more. We love you guys. We appreciate the support. Be good.
Peace.